Welcome to Byte Further. In today's video, you'll learn how to fix iPhone 15 hard reset not working. So, your phone suddenly stops working. You attempt to do a soft restart but the unresponsive screen doesn't allow you to move on. Next, you opt for a hard reset, which is also called force restart or hard restart. You press and hold buttons for a while, but only find that your iPhone 15 won't hard reset. It's confusing, but we're here to help. Whether you need to figure out why hard reset fails or explore other solutions to fix the issue when iPhone 15 hard reset doesn't work, we've got you covered. Don't forget to give this video a like or a super thanks if you think this video is good and helps. Now, let's start. Step 1. Hard reset an iPhone 15 again. Unlike a soft restart, you'll need to follow a different button sequence to do a hard reset. For iPhone 15 series, be it iPhone 15 Plus, iPhone 15 Pro, or iPhone 15 Pro Max, here are the official instructions to follow. Press and quickly release the volume up key first, then the volume down key. Press and hold the wake/sleep key on the right side. While holding, your iPhone 15 screen will switch off and soon the Apple logo pops up. Now, let go of the side key. You've done a hard reset and all that's left to do is wait for the device to start up and reach the lock screen. Step 2. Make sure the battery has enough power. Low battery could render iPhone 15 hard reset not working. Try juicing up the device with the official lightning cable and charger, then try again. Even can't hard reset on iPhone 15 with sufficient power. Unplug the cable to kill the phone battery. After your iPhone 15 will switch off automatically, charge the battery again for at least an hour. Then, repeat the steps to do a hard reset and see if that works. Step 3. Clean the buttons. The sequence of your key presses is correct, but iPhone 15 hard reset is still not working? Inspect the buttons. To begin with, ensure that both the volume and power buttons are free from any visible damage or signs of being sunk. Then, take a Q-tip to clean away any dirt or buildup that could hinder the button presses. Finally, press the button combination once more to check if iPhone 15 can hard reset properly. Step 4. Try other troubleshooting methods. A hard reset technique does protect a phone against common system malfunctions and bugs. If iPhone 15 hard reset does not work, there are other ways to solve the issue. One is to apply recovery mode. Connect your iPhone 15 to a computer and launch iTunes, Finder, or Apple Devices app. Put the device into recovery mode by pressing volume up once and volume down once, then holding the side key until the support screen appears. Once the program detects the phone in recovery mode, it'll allow you to do an update or restore to fix the system problem. Another one is to apply iCloud's erase feature. Log into iCloud.com with the Apple ID account linked to your iPhone 15. Choose Find My or Find My iPhone. Select your iPhone 15, click Erase iPhone and confirm to delete everything to start from scratch. Step 5. Visit an Apple store. If the above steps don't fix the problem, it's advisable to contact Apple support for further help. They can provide more dependable guidance or suggest repair options if needed when you can't hard reset an iPhone 15. Remember, if you've purchased Apple Care Plus for your iPhone 15, any necessary repairs may be at no cost to you, provided the issue is covered under the plan. That's all for how to fix the hard reset not working on an iPhone 15. If you find this video helpful, please buy a super thanks for this video and give this video a like. Your support means a lot to us to deliver more useful videos to help those in need. Also, if you have any further questions, feel free to write them down in the comments below and I'll reply ASAP. To learn more tech tips about iPhones, subscribe to the Byte Further channel. Now, you can click another video on the screen to keep watching.